Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's COMSOL tutorial, I'm going to teach you that how you can export the data or graphs from COMSOL to any data visualization software like Microsoft Excel or OriginPro. So let's start with the video. So this is one of the tutorial which I already have uploaded on my YouTube channel. So you can check it in the COMSOL playlist. This is tutorial number 17 with the name PCM heatsink for cooling. So I already have plotted the graph. So I'll now teach you that how you can export this liquid fraction graph from COMSOL to Microsoft Excel and OriginPro. So let's straight away dive into the video. So in my model builder, under the results section, I have already plotted my graph. For example, this is the table graph. This shows that how the PCM melts in 3 different domains. So what are those domains? So you can see under my derived values, the first one is the domain number 1, which is this first domain, and this is my second domain, and this is my third domain. So I have plotted the average surface value for the liquid fraction using the surface average formula, and then I have used this expression of liquid fraction and collected the data in the form of graphs. So for example, in this table number 5, you can see here, so first column shows the time, second column shows the liquid fraction in the domain number 1, and similarly liquid fraction in domain 2 and domain 3. So I want to export this data into the Microsoft Excel. So in the first step, if you want to visualize your data in the COMSOL, you can simply click on this table graph and then it will plot this graph. So now you can see here, this is a nice liquid fraction graph for the 3 domains. So how we can export it? So in simple words, there are 2 ways to export the data. The first method is that you simply right click on your graph and then select copy plot data to clipboard. So once you click on that, so your data has been now copied. After you copy the data, you simply open your Microsoft Excel sheet and then click into the first cell, right click on it, and then select paste. So now you have successfully imported the data into Microsoft Excel. But there is a problem with this method that once you import this data, you can see here all the data has been imported into a single column. So if I move this to the right hand side, so you can see here all the data has been imported into a single column. So how we can split into the 4 columns? So for that, you need to simply click on this data and then go to this text to columns and select this delimited and then press this next. Here you need to select the space and then click on next and then finish. So once you do that, so now you can see here all the data has been divided into the 4 columns. So for example, this is our first column which represents the time. This is our second column which represents the liquid fraction in the domain number 1. So column number 3 and 4 presents the liquid fraction in domain number 2 and domain number 3. But you can still see here the problem with the description. So the first column is time, but it is showing some percentage symbol here. For the second one, it is showing, but it is basically liquid fraction in the domain number 1. So one of the possible ways that you delete all those text and then type manually. For example, I'm going to type time and then I can write here the unit in minutes, and for this one, this is liquid fraction domain 1. I can simply copy this one and paste into the third column and similarly in the fourth column. So here I can rename it domain number 2 or domain number 3. So now my data is ready for the plot. So what can I do? That I can simply click on this time, then press Ctrl Shift and then press the right arrow and then downward arrow, and then I will press Ctrl C to copy the data and then select the first cell and then Ctrl V to paste the data. Now I can go to the insert and then click here to plot the data. So I will click this option and now you can see the data has been plotted successfully with the proper legends. So this is one method. So the second method, which I always prefer, is that you go to the COMSOL, right click on your graph and then select this add plot data to export. Once you click that, you will get this option plot under the export. So here we need to do some tweaks in the settings and then we will export the data. So the first thing is that you need to make sure what you want to export. In this case, I'm exporting the liquid fraction. Then select the right graph. So in the next step for the output, we have a file type, and under the file type, we have different options. For example, text, unstructured VTK file, and wave audio file. In this case, we are exporting the data in the text format. And the next option is to select the location where you want to export your data. So for that, you need to click on the browse, then select the folder. In this case, I'm exporting to the downloads, and then give the name. So I'm going to give the name demo. Then click on save. After that, under the data format, you need to select the spreadsheet. And then the next option is if multiple curves. So in this case, if you have multiple curves, for example, in this case, I have 3 different curves. So you need to select append as column. After that, you can open this advanced option, and so make sure this include header and full precision are checked. And if the file exists, so for this one you have 2 options, overwrite and append. So make sure you always select overwrite. In case if you already have saved your data, this will overwrite the existing data, or if you want to append, it will append the new data. So after that, for the separator, this is the most critical thing. Here you need to select the tab. So once you are done with all the settings, the next thing is you need to press this export. So once you click on export, you will get this message that export data plot has been exported to this certain folder. So now I will open my folder. So you can see here the data I exported. So double click this one to open, and the data has been opened in the Notepad. So the next step is to press Ctrl A to select all the data, and then Ctrl C to copy your data. After you copy the data, then open the Microsoft Excel and select the first cell and then press Ctrl V. So now you can see here our data has successfully been imported into Microsoft Excel. So the next step is that you need to double click on this A and then double click on this B column, C and D. So in this case, you have seen that we don't need to go to the data and then use this text to column option to split our data into the different columns. So this is the nice way to export your data into the Microsoft Excel. So after that, you can select all the unwanted text, then select this time cell, then press Ctrl Shift and the right arrow and then the down arrow, and then press Ctrl C to copy the data and then paste into the first cell. So now you can see here our data is ready for the plot. So go to the insert and then click on this one, graph, line graph, and then select the line graph. So you can see here our data has successfully been imported and plotted into the Microsoft Excel. So now if you want to plot the similar data into the OriginPro, so what you need to do is that you need to select all these 4 columns, then press Ctrl C, copy the data, go to the Origin software and open a new workbook. So to open the new workbook, you need to select this option, the third one, new workbook. So once you click that, your new workbook has been opened. So then click here in the first cell, then press the Ctrl and V. So once your data is imported, so select the first row, then press Ctrl and X to cut, and then select the long name and then press Ctrl and V. So after that, you can simply select all the columns and press this line icon. So once you press that, so you can see here the liquid fraction curves has been plotted in the OriginPro. So this is how you export your data from COMSOL to Microsoft Excel or OriginPro. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you can get notification about upcoming COMSOL tutorials. So thank you so much for watching.